party people, it's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. I am here today with July Bargain Bead Box 2022 Project 2 video part 6. Part 6. This one's easy, simple. It's the only thing I could really think to do with these little lamp glass work beads they gave us. So it's going to be opposites, right? Opposite earrings. So I'm super excited about it. Let's get down to the mat, get this party started. Alright guys, here we are with the first one. So I wanted to show you this because we're going to make this one opposite, right? So the idea here is that we'll put this guy on the top and the star on the bottom. And it's going to be super simple. So this, we're going to need 24 gauge copper wire. So I got my 24 gauge copper wire, and we're going to wrap up the star. So I'm going to get a fairly good chunk of the 24 gauge wire because we're going to go around it. And in order to do this, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to stick this through my bead. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap up around, and I'm going to wrap around here. And you could go a couple times, I guess, if you want to. Let's go again. Why not? And we wrap around here. Okay. And so, like on this bead, this is the same thing I've done with this bead. The only thing that I'm doing differently here is I have a little rosette on the top. Now, the rosette is not required. I just thought, why not? So I'm gonna do a little spiral. So I'm just spiraling this up just for funsies. Okay. So you put the spiral on there, and then we're just gonna do a wrap loop on the top. Oh, I'm sorry, we're not going to do a wrap loop on the top. I don't know if we're going to have enough space now that I've done that. We will see. I should have maybe made my wire a little longer, but we'll see if it's going to fit. Oh, maybe it'll fit. Okay. We're just using all on that same wire. All right, so now we do the top. And see if I left myself enough to get around here. Oh yeah. Just barely, but still enough. So I got around there. And close that up. That's all, folks. Super easy. Oh, I will show you how I did the little texture stuff on here. So then I just put this on here. Okay, and then like right here I did some little texture stuff. So if you wanted to do that same on the starfish, all you gotta do is grab your square nose plier, and you're just gonna grab a hold of it, just give it a slight bend. You don't want to do too much because you can stretch your wire out, make it loose. You can make the wire less strong, so you got to be careful and tighten this up. There we go. All right, so now we've got one little opposite pair of earrings. That's all I could really think to do with these guys, but I mean, you know, it is what it is. They're being used. They're cute. I like them. I like opposite earrings. So there we go. I hope you're all having a wonderful, spectacular, amazing beading day. If you are, please leave it in the comments. Come on over to Facebook. We'd love to have you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.